Vanakkam brothers and sisters. Welcome to Indian Catholic Ministry YouTube channel. Today's gospel reading is from Mark chapter 1 verses 14 through 20. Jesus calls the first disciples, Simon, Andrew, James and John. Jesus said to them, "Follow me." The very important thing to note here is that how people responded to the call of Jesus Christ. Responses are immediate and break from one's past life. Jesus' path is created for us. Jesus leads us day by day. Hence, we will pick up when we fall. Jesus is with us alongside so we never be alone. Jesus calls every one of us individually and promises to transform us into everything we could possibly be. Every one of us must decide. Together we make Christ present in our world. Sacred objects inside church. Church is both the house of God on earth and a house in which us, God's children, gather to worship, pray for community and celebrate sacrifice of Jesus. We do not enter a church the way we enter other building. We walk in quietly and reverently. As we enter into the church, the first thing we're going to notice is the baptismal font or the holy water font. Water blessed by priest called holy water. As we enter the church, we dip our fingers into the holy water and make the sign of the cross. We see candles everywhere inside the church. Lighting the candle reminds us of Jesus, the light of the world. The big candle, this candle is called Easter candle or Paschal candle. This candle is lighted for every baptism and every funeral that happens through the year in that church. When we step inside the church, we can see this colored glass called stained glass. These stained glass windows made up of pieces of brightly colored glass, some of it for beauty and some tells the stories about Jesus, Mary and the saints. All around the wall inside the church are 50 pictures that tells us how Jesus carried the cross, suffered, died, buried and rose up from death. These pictures called Stations of the Cross. The benches like this seating are called pews. We even got this kneeler used to kneel and pray. All pews arranged to face the front, and what we see in front is called sanctuary, which means holy place. In this sanctuary, we see a big cross with Jesus on it is called crucifix, a large table called altar. It is a holy place where the Eucharist is offered. The holy bread, that is Jesus, is kept in a special place in the church called tabernacle. Sanctuary light burns day and night near the tabernacle. It tells us that Jesus is present in the tabernacle. In this cupboard, we see 3 tall oil bottles used in sacraments. This little cubby where sacred oils are kept is called ambry. Oil of catechumens, sacred chrism, oil of the sick. Every year in the morning of Maundy Thursday or near the Holy Week, bishop blesses the oil and distributes that holy oil to all parishes. We also see statues of Jesus, Mary, and saints inside the church. Sometimes, in some places, candles are lit in front of statues. Due to COVID pandemic, churches near my home are closed, so I drove more than 20 miles to record some shots that you see in this video. Stay safe, subscribe to Indian Catholic Ministry YouTube channel, share this video with everyone you know, give likes and your comments. Thank you. Take care.